Welcome, today we're going to show you how to convert an APK to EXE file. If you want to actually convert or change an APK file to an EXE file so it can run from Android to Windows, so that won't actually work with you because APKs is actually made for Android devices and EXE is made specifically for Windows devices. So you can't just change the name and it will work with you. So to do that safely without any problem, you need to actually use an emulator. So there's a lot of Android emulators that will actually work with you. One is LD Player, the other is Nox Player, and the third one is BlueStacks. So you can use either of these emulators to use APKs on your Windows device. I personally use Nox Player, as see from here. You can just open it and install any app and APK file that you want. So by using these emulators, you can actually run any APK file without any problem. All you need to do is to just run this emulator and download the APK file that you want, and after that you can use it inside this emulator like an Android device. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.